He's going to clear the deck.
Well, despite a little bit of rain earlier, the day continues. We're taking Jay to his very first MLB game at PNC Park. Gonna catch the Pirates here, play the Reds. We're winding up the towards the tail end of the season here. I know as a baseball fan myself, I'm really rooting for Aaron Judge to break Roger Maris's home run record for the season. Being a Yankees fan and all. But I've always wanted to go to this park. All the times I've seen it on TV. And now, so check-in was about all of 10 seconds. But I purchased these tickets online, and you get them through the MLB app or MLB Park or something like that. Makes it really easy. We walked right in, and we're gonna make our way to our seats. Hopefully they're not too wet. Got some cool pictures of the stadium here. What a gorgeous park. Oh. For Manny Brothers.
There we go.
Tell you, we're a couple of dad bod tourists. So as we were walking down to our seats, I walked right by this little booth right here, and they have a professional setup where they do like the Pirates pregame, and they have the color commentators and whatnot. Well, there's definitely no shortage of places to eat here, and not just your typical fare that you would see at a ballpark. They've got, for Manny Brothers, they got Quaker Steak and Lube. They got a couple of different places. They got bars all over the place. Yeah, I'm really impressed with this park so far. But Jay and I are about ready to get something to eat, and because we got some time before the game starts, and we already found where our seats are going to be. So we're definitely getting a little hungry after the events of today and every place we got to see. So. Well, now that they're all done with announcements, we've already had the first pitch, and like Jay just said, we're all by ourselves pretty much here, except we got two other people in this section. This late in the year, I don't think the Pirates are even close to getting in the playoffs, so attendance is pretty slim, but it's actually not too bad. It's nice and relaxing.
Oh, good. Hey guys.
How you doing?
Hey, what's up? I'm not sure what's happening here. Would you gentlemen like to join this row?
There's a chicken sandwich in the row.
There is a chicken sandwich in this row.
Oh, no, we're okay.
Chick-fil-A chicken sandwich. It's delicious.
Well, we're all right. All right, thank you.
A few moments later.
Yeah, where are we pointing this to?
So we got talked in to be part of this group over here for a, I guess we're supposed to cheer, and we get a free chicken sandwich out of it. What's that?
They pointed at you guys. You guys want an arrow? Point
Yeah.
to everybody?
Okay, sure.
supposed to do something. I don't even know.
Just cheer?
So we're gonna come on camera. They're gonna introduce you guys to the lucky row. We're gonna give you free chicken sandwiches, and just kind of we're really excited about what we're doing.
Okay. They're probably going to call us out like after the innings, after the set of outs, and get us up on the Jumbotron. Well, this turned out to be a pretty chilly but yet fun night. We had a lot of fun with those folks down at the down in that row there. But I got myself some coffee, just getting some hot chocolate because we definitely need it. Perfect. Yeah, temperature's supposed to drop to about like I want to say like 45 tonight. So, but we did dress accordingly. Jay ended up picking up a Pittsburgh Pirates hat, as well as a pair of gloves. I brought mine with me. We definitely need it. This has been an outstanding time, and I'm going to show some shots here. Where this park is located, right on the river, it's just, you get some of the best views I've ever seen. in any city that I've been to. So, been just a wonderful, wonderful day so far. Yeah. So after Jay and I got our drinks, hot chocolate and coffee, we were just up right behind where I'm sitting right there, and just looking around. And one of the staff members here is like, "You guys want to sit?" And because I mean, yeah, like I said earlier in the video, it's the end of the season. Like this place is maybe not even a third full or a quarter full. So we got quite a lot of empty seats around us. So he's like, "You guys want to sit and stay?" And we're like, "Yeah, sure." So
Listen, if you're going to tell the story, be honest about it. They knew you were with me. They knew it was my first time here. So we want you to have a grand experience. We got you in the Jumbotron. Now you got behind home plate.
But this is like, I know I keep saying, I am falling in love with this city more and more now that this is my second time visiting. I definitely want to make this a yearly thing, to come out here with Jay, and we have such a great time. So. And that, folks, is the end of the game. 4-1, Pittsburgh Pirates. Jay's first game. Had a great time, and we got to win.